Hi, my name is Krystle Bradley, and I want you to join me in my Ultimate Canva Mastery Workshop where I'm going to supercharge your designs and unleash your creative potential. Take it from me. I personally know what it feels like to sit behind a computer desk for hours on end creating social media posts that may or may not capture my target audience's attention. I don't want you to have to look any further because within my 90-minute workshop, you're going to learn the industry's best kept secrets. Learn how to create stunning social media posts, and you're going to learn how to do that in bulk for maximum efficiency. Also, learn how to create professional videos without having to go on camera. Learn how to build beautiful websites within Canva without needing to know any coding. This workshop is for anyone who is brand new to Canva and wants to learn how to create stunning social media posts that are going to go viral. Also, if you aren't new to Canva, but you want to take your skills from novice to mastery, join me within my 90-minute workshop. Stop going from YouTube channel to get all your questions and concerns answered. Come to my workshop, click on that button, and ask me all your questions and concerns all in one place within 90 minutes. Go ahead, click on that button. It's only $7 to go ahead and get all your questions and concerns answered, learn the industry's best kept secrets. I can't wait to see you on the other side.